One, two, three, fat butts, come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grummies, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do. Heck, I even love ya. Grummies.
Good evening, Grummies. It is Sunday, November the 1st. I noticed a little VPD issue going on with this little lady right here. Notice how them first leaves are all wrinkly, ripply. That's from a VPD issue, leaf temperature offset. And I'm not used to having to adjust this in the Spiderfarmer. I just set it up for the VPD I wanted. And I've checked all these gauges with the GGS sensor. And I went in and had to put in a -1 or 2 to get them all dialed in together. But my other tents, I haven't had to put water in the humidifiers for over a week. And this one was sucking it down. And I had the problem in my first 2x2 I had that I ran that giant Gorilla Glue number 4 in. And that thing looked pitiful at week 2. Leaves all curled up and everything. And it was sucking, the humidifier was sucking down the water. And that's when I learned about leaf temperature offsets. My other app, all I got to do is type in the difference in the leaf temperature and the room temperature. In the Spiderfarmer app, you're going to have to use a calculator. And I'm going to pull one up and let you look at it and show you the difference. And I'll give you a screenshot of my app. The VPD is going to be very high. And the first thing you would want to do is crank your humidifier up, until you're seeing that right VPD number you want to have for your seedlings, which is like 0.6 to 0.8. In week 2, I move it up to 0.9, 1.0, and I bump it up as the grow goes on. But let's pull up a screenshot of this calculator, and I'll try to explain it to you. Okay, for example, room temperature 78, leaf temperature 70. Play around with the relative humidity and so until you see the leaf VPD that you're looking for. Using these numbers, I will go into the app and set my humidifier for 50%. 1.64 kPa would flip you out and you'd be cranking your humidifier up if you didn't know the difference. Now let's take a look in the Spiderfarmer app and see what it looks like now. Okay, let's punch in these numbers into the calculator and see what our actual VPD is. Okay, these are my actual numbers in the 2x2. Now let's look at the Spiderfarmer app and see what the read is on that. Look at that VPD. That's a far cry from 0.9, wouldn't you say? Okay, dokie. I hope that helped you out a little bit to get your VPD, leaf temperatures, and all that straight. It makes a huge difference. How dyslexic was that? Hummed. I'll do that with numbers too. Supposed to be a D and I made it a D, a B and I made it a D. I gotta fix that. That's embarrassing. Okay, dokie. Get you a gun. I got this one from a hardware store. It'll get you close. If you notice, there was a big difference in them readings from the actual to what the app was saying. Hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching. Coochie, coochie, cooch. I appreciate you. I'm out of here. Peace.